Today we have a recipe for scallop and chayote squash chow mein, which you will be proud to serve your family and friends. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. So just cut the chayote squash with a potato peeler. You can use a knife too if you like, but a potato peeler works really well. Some people like the squash a little more tender, but if you cut it fairly thin, you can stir fry it. So for this stir fry, you need 2 or 3 chayote squash. So the chayote squash will have the texture of, I would say, between crispy potato and apple. So these are the farke noodles. These noodles are really good for soups and also for stir fry. So I've got some water going right now. I'm going to put a tablespoon of oil into the water. I'll put a teaspoon of salt in there. So this helps the noodles from sticking together. So I'm going to put a couple handfuls in here. That should be enough for, like, say, 4 quarters. This brand of noodles only takes 5 minutes to cook, but be sure to check the instructions. So just rinse the noodles in cold water, just to get rid of some of the starches and to stop the cooking of the noodle. Preheat a wok or a pan, then add 3 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Put your noodles down and grill on each side for a few minutes until you get the right texture and crispiness. Preheat your wok at medium-high heat, then add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Here I have rice bran oil. Now I have some scallops I washed. Now put your scallops into the wok. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger to bring out some aromatic flavor. Just sear and stir fry the scallops for a minute. Then take off the scallops before you stir fry the chayote squash. Just to make sure you get a good sear on the chayote squash. In the meantime, flip your noodles to make sure they're nice and crispy. You can add other veggies to your stir fry, such as snow peas. Be sure to add some carrots for nice color. Now add a cup or cup and a half of chicken stock, or water if you don't have it. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, the regular soy sauce. Now I add my favorite sauce, so add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Chinese oyster sauce. Now put back the scallops that you stir-fried before. Be sure to flip those noodles again so they're nice and crispy. To thicken your sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1/3 cup of water and mix well. There you have it, my version of scallop and chayote squash chow mein. Enjoy.